गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून, संडे, गुड आफ्टरनून। संडे लंच के बाद का सेशन। मैंने स्वाति को बोला था कि यार लंच के बाद का सेशन क्यों रखती हो, लोग नींद में होंगे, वो भी संडे आफ्टरनून, कौन जगता है। नॉनदलेस आशा कर रहा हूँ आप लोग सब कोई जगह हुए। आई होप यू गाइज आर अवेक। वाओ, सो मेनी पीपल ऑन संडे आफ्टरनून। व्हाट आर यू गाइज अप टू? हाउ वाज योर मॉर्निंग and how is the afternoon going on? If you can hear me, just give a confirmation. Okay, Sumit is saying good afternoon. दिग्विजय साहब, आप तो बहुत रेगुलर है, हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं दिग्विजय जी। गुड टू गो सर। वाओ। Venkataraman, good afternoon, good afternoon. Mr. Bhavesh, good afternoon. Fantastic. Very nice to see you guys. Always my pleasure. Sunday हो या Monday, हर समय अपने को मार्केट के ओरिएंटेड या स्टॉक एज ओरिएंटेड कुछ ना कुछ बात करती रहनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी engaged in market all the time. Opportunity can knock any point of time, so we should be mentally alert at any point of time to know what's happening in the market. So today's session again is going to be almost an hour session, and आज मैं ना अपने एक प्यारे से बेबी के बारे में बताऊंगा जो है स्टॉकेज क्लब। बहुत ही प्यारा बेबी है और बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम लोग उसके ऊपर में। आप लोगों ने स्टॉकेज को तो काफी सपोर्ट दिया। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गिवन ट्रिमेंडस सपोर्ट टू स्टॉकेज, सो आई मस्ट थैंक यू ऑल फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग स्टॉकेज द वे इट इज। मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ सीक्रेट विथ यू दैट व्हाई आई क्रिएटेड स्टॉकेज। इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। ओके, so hear me out. I think there are some more friends who are joining. Wow, we have crossed 100 people. Very good, yeah. Sunday afternoon में people are coming and joining to hear me out. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के. So not that I was not expecting this number, but I'm very glad that you guys are curious to hear from me. So एक story बताऊंगा कि मैंने स्टॉकेज क्यों चालू किया। और ये क्या ना, this is a very important part of my life. And I should tell you that why this has become so important. So mera story वैसे, a lot of people know about my story that, after my chartered accountancy in 2001, I joined JM Financial Mutual Fund as a sales manager. And I was trying to approach mutual fund investors to invest in mutual fund. And JM Mutual Fund is one of those not so very good mutual funds. So it was a tough journey to convince people to invest in the mutual fund. And this was way back in 2001 when US 64 crisis happened. If you guys were there in the market during that time, how many of you were there? And do you know US 64 crisis? Quick response, because I want it to be very interactive today. I don't want it to be a monologue. I don't want it to be a monologue. I want it to be interactive. How many of you remember that US 64 crisis? Unit 64, जो UTI mutual fund का crisis हुआ था. It was in late 1990s. Especially that 1997 Asian crisis, उसके कारण Unit 64 का crisis बहुत बड़ा crisis हो गया था. Yeah, Mr. Jagjit doesn't know about it. Probably that time you were not there in the market, that's why. So when I entered the market in mutual fund industry, it was in 2001 when US 64 crisis was big crisis, and it was supposed to be a big scam where a lot of, oh, you have heard for the first time, Atul, that's surprising. You should read about, see, I'll tell you, there is one book which all of you should read, because क्या है ना, हिस्ट्री जानने से you develop a perspective about the market. एक आपको पता लगता है कि चल क्या रहा मार्केट के अंदर. तो there is a book by Santosh Nair. The name of the book is Bull, Bear and Other Beast. How many of you have read this book, Bull, Bear and Other Beast? Have you read this book, Bull, Bear and Other Beast? Okay, Sumit has not read it. I want to please tell all of you that please read this book. It is by Santosh Nair, who is now the director in Network 18. He was one of the founders of CNBC and Money Control. Is a very good guy. So आप उसका book definitely Bull, Bear and Other Beast. Definitely वो book आप पढ़ेगा. मुझे लगता है there will be a movie on that book also. It's such an incredible read because it gives you a historical perspective of what has happened in India. Okay. Acha, Nilesh is saying that I'm not visible in entire screen. स्वाति प्लीज आप उनको हेल्प करिए ना, because I think by and large everyone can see me. Please, other people, can you confirm you can hear me, see me, feel me? Okay, other people are saying there is no issue. So people who have issue, please look into it. आपका कंप्यूटर में सेटअप में कुछ इशू होगा. See, I'm doing a very candid conversation today. There is no technical discussion because so much of technical discussion I do. I thought let's do a heart-to-heart talk today and give you my feeling. So in 2001, when I joined mutual fund industry as a sales executive, this was the toughest decision of my life, especially after chartered accountancy, becoming a salesperson. So when I used to go and visit corporates and HNIs, I used to get bashing from them. And that made a man out of a boy, because once you do sales, uh, you actually experience a lot of things. You start experience rejection, and then you try to figure out how to combat that rejections. So yes, I worked there for a couple of months, and then I came back to Calcutta and I started my own mutual fund distribution company, which failed. And then derivatives were introduced in 2002, and I started trading in derivatives. That options trading, my ITC, I remember ITC first trade when I did, when someone was trying to sell put option, but the poor guy sold call option. And I made almost 20-25 lakh because of the stupidity of that person. But I made money. There was a guilt inside me that, yeah, I made money because someone lost money, which is not a very good feeling. But then I realized that, yeah, this is what market is, no? Particularly derivative market is zero sum game. So someone will lose money and correspondingly someone will make money. So you can only make money in derivative if someone is losing. So you are actually making money because someone is feeling miserable. That's actually quite disturbing thought, but then this is the fact which one has to live with it. And I traded for a couple of months. I think 2002, I started trading in 2002 May or June, and I traded. Along with that, I appeared for my cat, and I got through IIM Indore. I actually got an interview from IIM Ahmedabad. Somehow I was not able to convert that. So IIM Indore, I went in 2003. And why I went there? Because I thought that I'm not someone who can sit in one place and do full-time trading. Although I can make a lot of money because I have it in my blood, but somehow I felt that I'm more of an entrepreneur. I should build businesses rather than making money as a trader. So I did that. In 2005, I joined JM Financial as a commodity analyst. Why I joined them? Because commodity was a new market and I wanted to explore new market. So I joined JM Financial as a commodity analyst, and I worked there for 9 months before the baby was born. And I came back to Calcutta and I started my own commodities trading. And that was the time. 2006 January, I started commodities trading. So 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 years. In fact, till 13. These 8 years, I was so actively trading. I used to trade equity in the daytime, currency, and commodity till 9, 11:30 in the night. Crazy. That lifestyle was absolutely madness. मतलब morning 9 o'clock से लेके रात को 11:30 बजे तक कौन कर सकता है? But I used to enjoy that whole life. And because I was trading, I was also asking I also recruited a lot of people. So I started an academy in Calcutta called Credent Academy, where I used to learn courses where people used to learn from us and then join us in our trading desk. So by doing that, I expanded to 150 traders trading all kind of assets, and that team is still there with me. So जो लोग आप मानो कि 2007, 8, 9 में 10 में people who joined us as trader, after 12 years, 13 years, they are still with us as a trader, and they've sustained this massive evolution of financial market in India. Earlier, financial market was more of screen based, trying to make a judgment of what the movement is going to happen, looking at buying, selling price. But eventually, market became more rule driven, and screen was dominated by algos. And I was very fortunate that I also got into algo trading in 2008 with some partners with background of IIT IIM, and the name of the company is iRage, based out of Bombay. And we got into algo trading, and we're doing decently well on the algo trading side. Now there's a reason why I'm sharing this story with you, because ultimately that whole experience of being trading, running a trading desk, and being there in the market, done all the things, In 2013, I realized that I have made a fair bit of money for myself. I have a good organization now, but I've not done much to give back to society. And society has given so much to me. So much to me. Society has allowed me to study. Society has given me so many friends. So 2013, जैसे होता है ना, even Steve Jobs or Zuckerberg, and I'm not saying that I'm like them, but 2013 I went out to explore कि क्या कर सकते हैं life में. So did all kind of stuff here. I joined Isha Foundation, Sadhguru. I went through his programs to figure out what is the real purpose of life, what should be done. Because I had that basic comfort of money. I मतलब घर चल रहा था तो ऐसा कोई टेंशन नहीं था पैसे कमाने का. So 2013 में I attended a program in Pune University. There is a university called Flame University. Flame University एक बहुत अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है. I don't know how many of you know Flame University. कभी आपने सुना फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में? पुणे, बॉम्बे पुणे रोड में है फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी. इट्स अ गुड यूनिवर्सिटी. वहां पर एक प्रोग्राम है, लर्न फ्रॉम मास्टर्स. इट्स अ 5 डे फुल टाइम प्रोग्राम. और कभी मौका मिलेगा ना तो वो प्रोग्राम अटेंड कीजिएगा. आजकल एडमिशन बहुत टफ हो गया. व्हेन आई डिड, इट वाज रिलेटिवली इजियर टू गेट. Those 5 days, incredible experience of learning the real financial market by connecting with people like Ramdev Agarwal, Radhakishan Damani, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ramesh Damani ji. All these guys used to come and teach us. रात को 2-2, 3-3 बजे तक हमारे साथ बैठ के हमको सिखाते थे. And what it was largely experience sharing. Something what I'm doing right now. It's more of an experience sharing and casual conversation. And I have seen all these big guys have this uncanny ability to learn all the time. इतना इनके अंदर में भूख होती है ना सीखने की. Ramdev Agarwal, I mean, such a big guy, such a lot of money, and he always, whenever I meet these days, I meet everyone because they've seen my journey and they like what I've been doing. That's why Mr. Ramesh Damani invested in me. When I meet them, they always ask me कि क्या नया सीख रहा है विवेक, क्या नया सीखा, सिखाना. I mean, that hunger of learning, that's why my Twitter handle says learner Vivek Bajaj. I'm not an expert here. पागल है कोई बोलता है मार्केट में एक्सपर्ट है. कोई मार्केट में एक्सपर्ट नहीं. एवरीवन इज लर्निंग. ओनली वन पर्सन इज एक्सपर्ट इन मार्केट एंड दैट्स मिस्टर मार्केट हिमसेल्फ. और कोई नहीं है एक्सपर्ट मार्केट के अंदर में. So the story continues like this. So 2013 was kind of a period when I was, you can call it a midlife crisis, you can call it a path to figure out what do I do. Okay. And I came across that course and I came across this book. And this book changed my life. Bloomberg by Bloomberg, okay? Because I was reading so many books, I was trying to figure out. So this is not relevant for you. I mean, you don't have to read this book. I'm just telling you my life experience, that why I'm doing this, what I'm doing right now. But the book which I want you to read is called Bull, Bear and Other Beast. By Santosh Nair. I hope you guys have written it. Must read. आप मतलब आंख बंद करके वो बुक प्लीज ले लो और पढ़ लो. आप मेरे को बहुत थैंक यू बोलोगे उसके बाद में कि विवेक सर आपने कैसे ये पूरा ऑपरेटर का गेम बचता है ना मार्केट में, इसको समझने के लिए उससे अच्छी although money control is technically my competitors, but I always praise Santosh. I call him and say that Santosh, what you have done, what you have given to Indian market is unbelievable. अगर एक एक रिटेल इन्वेस्टर ये बुक पढ़ लेगा ना तो सारा ऑपरेटर का काम करने का तरीका उसको समझ में आ जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो लेट मी कंटिन्यू विद दिस डिस्कशन. सो 2013 I realized कि यार I need to do something interesting, and that's where the foundation of Elon Markets was established. That यार लोगों को पढ़ाना जरूरी है और एक एक रिमोटेस्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ इंडिया में अगर पहुंचना है तो टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करना पड़ेगा, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करना पड़ेगा. So the first journey was to create Elon Markets as the marketplace for financial education, where we became the first content creator, and then we started soliciting other aspects in the market who believe in that theory of giving back to society to give and host their content on our platform. करते करते समझ में आया कि यार लोगों को सिखा तो रहे हैं और लोग सीख भी रहे हैं, लेकिन फाइनली सीखने के बाद लोग जा रहे हैं मनी कंट्रोल के ऐप पे या इन्वेस्टिंग के ऐप पे, एंड दैट टाइम मनी कंट्रोल वाज वेरी वेरी क्लटर्ड प्लेटफॉर्म. अभी तो फिर भी इन लोगों ने थोड़ा ठीक कर दिया, बिकॉज हमारे जैसे लोग आ गए हैं सिस्टम के अंदर में. मिस्टर प्रणव एंड मिस पूर्णिमा इज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम. स्वाति, आप थोड़ा सा देखो ना, बिकॉज ये पॉइंट, ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो मैं थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता हूँ, प्लीज. तो सो आई वाज, वेयर वाज आई? तो मैं ये बोल रहा था आपको कि people who are learning from us, finally we're going to money control and other platforms. So we thought that, can we create a platform which is ad free, which is neat, clean, which doesn't have too much noise with other platform media platforms are giving, and another platform which is very expensive. So Bloomberg is extremely expensive, एक आम आदमी नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता है. तो उसी थॉट से लेके हमने स्टॉकेज पे वर्किंग चालू की. So Elon Markets was parallelly doing good, and then we had separate team working on Stockage. In 2016 we launched Stockage, and that's how the journey has been. So अगर आप देखो ना, इन्वेस्टर कोई भी, जैसे आप है, मैं हूं, अल्टीमेटली हम लोग के लाइफ में जब हम मार्केट में सही पार्टिसिपेशन करने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो 4 स्टेजेस है हमारे मार्केट पार्टिसिपेशन का. पहला है कि हमको सीखना पड़ेगा. Learning is the first stage, where at least the basic concepts is very very clearly communicated. And Elon Markets, I think, is doing a very good job in making sure that the concepts are clear, and more practical oriented knowledge dissemination is happening. The second stage is access of data and unbiased analytics, जो हमको brokers लोग काफी डेटा फीड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो of course we will listen to them, but then finally analytics is important for your own personal judgment. And the third stage of this journey is collaboration. See, we all are social animals, and we can only excel in what we are doing if we collaborate with multiple people. For example, right now, it's a collaboration going on with so many people, who are interacting. Like I'm interacting with you, you are interacting with me, you're giving an important eyeballs to me, attention to me. On Sunday afternoon you are coming and listening to me. That's such an important feeling for me, and it's a collaboration which is happening, that probably I'm sharing my experience with you, probably you will also, some of you will gain that from that experience, and who knows, one of you can create a much bigger and much smarter product than Stockage in future. पता नहीं लगता. मैं जब 2013 में फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी अटेंड किया तो मुझे नहीं पता था मैं स्टॉकेज बनाऊंगा. बट वो एक probably that whole communication with Ramesh Damani ji triggered that. कि Ramesh ji said कि यार विवेक, you have done everything good, but have you added value in society? And that triggered that inside me कि यार बात तो सही है कि सब कुछ किया, but क्या किया, वापस क्या दिया सबको. So third stage is the collaboration, where we collaborate with each other. And these are there are various platforms to collaborate these days. We have WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Twitter is there, Facebook. बट अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, कोलैबोरेशन में बहुत नॉइज है. कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देता है, and there is no accountability, there is no, you can't ask genuine questions to genuine people, and seldom we see that people who are genuinely reply. Eventually you will see there is some lack of commercial interest. और अगर नहीं होगा ना इंटरेस्ट, तो फिर वो एडवाइस जो है वो प्रॉब्ली उतनी वैल्यूबल नहीं होगी. फ्री में देखिए, अल्टीमेटली एक पॉइंट के बाद में एडवाइस जो है वो limited value add करती है. I mean, you may not like that thought. I mean, Stockage is also freemium. बहुत फ्री कंटेंट हमने डाल दिया. इनफैक्ट लोग बोलते हैं कि सर आपने इतना फ्री दे दिया कि पे करने का नीड ही नहीं है. तो कई बार ये लगता है कि यार मिस्टेक हो गया, इतना फ्री नहीं देना चाहिए था. एटलीस्ट कुछ चीजें तो चार्ज ही रखनी चाहिए थी, नहीं तो लोग तो चार्ज ही, पैसा ही नहीं देते. और पैसा नहीं देंगे तो ऑफिस कैसे चलेगा, घर कैसे चलेगा. एनीवेज, तो जो दे दिया फ्री हो तो दे दिया. अभी वैल्यू एडेड फीचर्स पे काम कर रहे हैं, विच इज बेसिकली गिविंग यू एज मच प्रीमियमनेस in Stockage, so that your life becomes so easy, so simple, that with click of button every day, half an hour homework should be sufficient for you to give you the right path towards market. Or we have just started the journey, very honestly. So the third product which we developed around Stockage was Stockage Club. I thought that, yeah, I need to create India's first serious club for serious market participants. And it can't be physical club because it has no relevance. It should be a virtual club. So what will happen to that club? Usme kya rahega? First thing first, people who have no understanding of market should learn the basics. So usme courses रहेंगे, जो कि preliminary courses होंगे, जो basic understanding देंगे. फिर उसमें कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग के, मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूं, तो अगर आप देखो एक प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है कि बेसिक पहले पढ़ा दिया, उसका एग्जाम दे के क्वालिफिकेशन दे दिया, फिर उसके बाद सीपीईज होते हैं, कंटिन्यूइंग प्रैक्टिकल एजुकेशन, सीपी कंटिन्यूइंग प्रैक्टिकल होता है कि क्या होता है याद नहीं आ रहा, सीपी होता है, मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली आप पढ़ते रहते हैं, सीखते रहते हैं। और शेयर बाजार ऐसा है कि यू हैव टू बी कंटिन्यूअसली इंगेज इन योर लर्निंग। यू कांट से दैट मेरा हो गया, मैंने पढ़ लिया, नहीं। आज भी डेली बेसिस पे 1 घंटा मैं मार्केट के अलावा पढ़ रहा हूँ, नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, तभी मैं सस्टेन कर पाऊंगा, नहीं तो मैं कब इररिलेवेंट हो जाऊंगा मुझे पता भी नहीं लगेगा। सो दैट स्टॉकेज क्लब बेसिक लर्निंग, continuous learning, and giving you access to quality team members जो आपके प्रश्न का आंसर दे। सो व्हाट वी डिड इज, स्टॉकेज क्लब में हमने करीबन 12 या 13 एनालिस्ट लोग को बैठा दिया है जो हमारे एनालिस्ट है, और उनको बोला है कि बॉस किसी को भी किसी भी तरह का प्रॉब्लम हो, रियल टाइम बेसिस पे उसका रियल टाइम आंसर दो। आप किसके पास जाएंगे अगर आपको मार्केट में स्टॉक के बारे में जानना है या आपको किसी कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में समझना है? आप गूगल करेंगे एंड यू विल ट्राई टू फिगर आउट द राइट आंसर, एंड whichever output has a better SEO value, you will get that output first. And there may be some intentions around that SEO, correct? Intention can be to upsell you some product. कि कोई यूट्यूबर का वीडियो आ जाएगा बट पता लगेगा कि वो आपको ब्रोकिंग अकाउंट खोलने बोल रहा है, या आपको कोई ब्रोकर का वेबसाइट आ जाएगा जो आपको अल्टीमेटली ब्रोकिंग अकाउंट खोलने बोल रहा है या लोन लेने बोल रहा है। सो ऑल दीज आर, I mean, ultimately, whenever you get anything free, has to be some ulterior motive, right, behind giving that free to you. स्टॉकेज क्लब को हमने क्या किया, वी मेड इट प्रीमियम, सो इट इज चार्जेबल, इट इज नॉट फ्री एज ऑफ नाउ। तो उसको हमने क्या किया, उसमें हमने लर्निंग दे दिया, उसमें हमने कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग एक्सरसाइज दे दिया, एंड द लास्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट वी गेव यू एक्सेस टू 12 एनालिस्ट, इन हाउस एनालिस्ट, एंड इट इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट एनालिस्ट एज अ सर्विस। Not a single company in India is doing this, what we are doing, analyst as a service. That means you can ask any question, चाहे आप टेक्निकल पूछना चाह रहे हो, फंडामेंटल पूछना चाह रहे हो, कुछ भी आप पूछ सकते हैं, and there is an analyst team we have hosted in our office, and you can consider them to be your analyst. If suppose you are serious about the market, then obviously you need to build your team, right? And cost of recruiting an analyst is very high, and more than that, sustaining an analyst is also very high. So what I have done is I have given you an outsourced platform जहां पे आप अपना एनालिसिस नीड को हमको दे दीजिए, आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए, मेरा टीम है वो होमवर्क करके, सो आपके पास घर बैठे 12 एनालिस्ट का एक्सेस मिल गया, और मेरा भी एक्सेस है। तो स्टॉकेज क्लब के जो मेंबर होंगे, ऑब्वियसली दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट एंड आई गिव माय हार्ट आउट टू देयर नीड्स। सो वो एक, ये जो इंटायर इकोसिस्टम हमने स्टॉकेज क्लब में जो बनाया ना, इट इज फिनोमिनल। आई वांट टू शो यू दैट, सो लेट मी जस्ट share a screen with all of you. So right now, this is the, I hope you're able to see, I'm just switching off my webcam. See, this is the platform, which looks like a social media platform. I hope you're able to see this. इसका हम लोग अभी लेटेस्ट वर्जन भी बना रहे हैं, बड़ा मस्त वर्जन है, और इस पे मोबाइल ऐप भी आ जाएगा, सो यू विल लव दैट। सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, इसके अंदर में अगर स्ट्रक्चर देखो ना, तो एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें लिमिटेड, इट्स अ पेड वर्जन, ये पेड ही है, ये फ्री नहीं है अभी। तो आप देखो 1600 से ज्यादा मेंबर्स तीनों रूम के अंदर में है। तो फंडामेंटल रूम बना दिया, स्टॉक आइडिया रूम बना दिया, टेक्निकल रूम बना दिया। इसका मतलब अगर आपको फंडामेंटल ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं तो हमारे पास फंडामेंटल एनालिस्ट टीम है, उनको आप क्वेश्चंस पूछिए, वो उस पे होमवर्क करके आपको जवाब देंगे। So if you suppose ask them ki boss give me a quick report on a particular stock, they will take around 2 to 3 days or 4 days depending upon the stock to give you a quick report on what they believe this stock can do. Okay. Similarly technical team का देखोगे तो typically technical में अगर आप कुछ भी आप question डालोगे, so we have a team of around 5 to 6 technical analysts who are answering your questions, and see the format of the way we are answering the questions is, so say for example, Arun Bhai, he asked the question on intellect design. Whenever anyone is asking a question, $1 is added as part of the stock. Why? देखो इन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था और उसका आंसर जो है वो अंकित ने दे दिया था जिसके पास ब्लू टिक है. Why Ankit replied? Because he is an expert with us and he is giving his perspective and Arun Bhai is acknowledging his reply. The beauty of adding dollar is when you click dollar, all interactions in this platform with respect to that stock historically will be right in front of you. This is so powerful. You won't get these things in Twitter or in WhatsApp or in Telegram because and these are all your analysts. They are accountable to you. अगर उनसे कुछ गलती हो रही है तो आप उनको बोलिए. अगर आपको और बेटर इनपुट चाहिए तो आप मेरे को बोलिए. I will make sure that the quality of the analysis which these team members are doing improves a lot. Okay. Similarly, ये fundamental technical के बाद there is something called stock ideas. Okay. In stock ideas, my team is continuously working on generating new ideas for you. For example, Smita ji, who heads the fundamental with us, she has almost 15 years of experience in market. She has written a literature on Ambuja Cement con call, and you click that PDF, आपको उसका con call भी मिल जाएगा. So whatever, so this is the con call summary which we are creating for our club members as well as for the premium subscribers of Stockage only. So these are con call summaries. It takes a lot of effort to create these outputs. So we make sure that all these efforts actually gets disseminated to our club members. It could be any stock technical idea or it could be any stock fundamental ideas. Okay. So logically, what this platform is trying to do is to connect you with us on a real-time basis so that your real-time needs can be fulfilled by us. Okay. What I do is whoever any new club member comes into the club, I follow that person so that any question which that person has, I'm personally looking at all the questions and trying to see that the value is added to the club members. Okay. One more thing I want to highlight is apart from the club platform, which is stockageclub.com, the other features of Stockage Club is that, as I said, that as part of the annual plan, you get access to. So there are so many things which we have included as part of the club. First thing first, you get access to Stockage Premium version. Second, you get access to learning. So we have integrated courses inside the club. Thirdly, you get access to every Friday we do session where till date Sharadeep was doing the session, but now I've decided every Friday I will do the session for 1 hour where we'll discuss about market. I'll discuss about few stocks and you can find probably value in that discussion also. Okay. So consider us to be a platform which is giving you a amazing access to great analysts, including myself, where you are able to learn. So you can see the comparison here. So if you take membership of the club, you get access to the courses. So there are learning courses. You get access to 12 paid webinar from market experts, which we have already hosted. Then obviously the tool Stockage itself is such a rich tool that you get full access to that tool. Okay. So this is very interesting. If you guys feel that club is something which you need and you want to probably try. See, we don't give trial. We don't believe in that theory of trial. हमको लगता है यार मार्केट के अंदर में कितना पैसा कमाया जा सकता है if you get access to right information, and we are the one providing you access to a decently good information. If you feel that you want to try, you can try with a monthly plan of Stockage Club. It's worth only 1500 rupees. Okay. Why don't you try, see the experience, and then if you feel that yes, this is something which I liked and I would like to continue with this, then probably you may like to upgrade to the yearly plan. Or today, if you want to take the yearly plan, it is worth only 15,000 rupees. So just imagine you have team of 12 plus analysts. You have myself, I am personally accessible to you. You get access to 3 learning modules and you understand fundamental, technical and trading strategies. You have access to 12 paid webinars, which is worth 6,000, 7,000 rupees for market experts. So it's a very, very valuable service which we have, and I would seriously recommend people who are serious about making money. We don't want free riders. We want only people who are serious about making money from stock market to become part of this fantastically growing club. Right now, there are 1,600 paid members in the club. Some have taken monthly, some have taken yearly, but most of the people are yearly because we give hefty discount in yearly plan. And there are people who have been continuing the club for last 2 to 3 years, because this is the best facility where you can get, and you get out of that stupid working of media which is trying to influence your decision making a lot. This is a virtual analyst setup which you are getting, and it's very, very valuable for people who are very serious about making money from stock market. Okay, so this is all about club. I hope to see most of you joining the club and taking advantage of this facility which we have created. And I'll be happy to answer your questions if you have any right now. And let me see how many of you finally decide to join it. And if you believe in what I am doing, if you believe me, if you find me honest, I would say that club is the perfect platform for all of you to find the maximum value from my working as the entrepreneur, as the owner of Stockage in Elon Markets. Okay, so let me now start taking questions. So, sir, give a full information about RSI for beginners. No, Pranav, I can't. So today's session was more about club. I think this question can be taken up later. Sorry, Pranav. Um, uh, the beauty about this is club is that you can ask me question anytime there. And once you become part of our offering, then it's an obligation on me to answer you also. But I try to answer as many people. You can send me an email, Pranav at vivek@stockist.com. I will definitely reply to your question. Okay, Nilesh is asking, do you operate live trading program? Well, most of our programs have live orientation. For example, there is a program called TMP, Trading Mentorship Program, which is a live trading course which you can explore. So in case you are interested to know about it, please, at the end of the session, there'll be a feedback form. So you can fill up that feedback form, ask team to connect with you with respect to live training program. Arvind is saying, dear sir, for those on annual plan, is there a better offer? Well, what I can do is, if you have an annual plan and if you want to upgrade to club, then we definitely can adjust your annual plan cost with the club cost. Okay. And people for this webinar who are attending the webinar, if you are interested to take the annual plan of the club, I would like to give you another coupon code, an extra coupon code from myself called VIF20. Okay, you can use VIF20 coupon code to get extra 20% off only for this webinar. So the cost is 15,000. So when you subscribe to this annual plan, just go subscribe to this annual plan, log in using email ID of yours. Let me just show you how to do that. So say, for example, I'm using my Gmail ID for this purpose. Okay, and price is 15,000. You can use a coupon code VIF20, apply, and see, you will get extra 3,000 rupees off. I will keep this coupon code open for only today. If you are attending the webinar and if you're finding value in my working, if you see, yes, this is something which you need for your for your learning needs, for your market trading needs, for your analysis need, I think you should try it at least for a year and see if this works for you or not. And even if it doesn't work, 12,000 is not such a big amount. I mean, there's enough learning you will get from us so that this 12,000 is justified on your part to pay to us. Okay, I would suggest as many people, if you can join this program, this particular club. This is a one big family we are developing, and I'm sure that you will not be disappointed by becoming part of this family. Okay, let me just see. Digvijay is saying he's already subscribed. Can I extend my membership? Yes, you can extend your membership. Feel free to write that in the feedback form, and my team will connect with you and help you in extend the membership. Anand is saying, I've already subscribed to annual. No problem, Anand. Your annual plan can be upgraded. If you have subscribed to the premium, your annual plan will be upgraded to the club. If you want it that way, you can connect with the team. I want to do long-term investment by Atul. Fantastic, Atul. Club, the advantage is that it is relevant for both traders as well as investors. So if you are doing long-term investment, then fundamental analyst team will be definitely very, very valuable for you. And very soon we will be also launching our own mock portfolio, model portfolio for club members, that we will give you, these are the 10 stocks you will have to invest, and you can just follow those 10 stocks. Obviously do your own research also, but we will very soon start with that model investment portfolio for you. So it could be very, very advantageous for you guys. On Anand is saying he missed the discount. Anand bhai, it's okay. I will compensate you in some way or other. Don't worry about it, because we seriously, we are not here to you know I mean, this 3000 discount which you probably have missed, you can mention to our team. We will try to give you some added materials so that this 3000 worth of discount can be compensated. I think Swati is listening to me, so probably she can connect with you later. Okay, Vineet is saying that, sir, I am a salesperson in IT industry and want to quit and start stock trading for myself and generating main income. How and where to start in stockage? See, I'll tell you, friends, uh, if you are a part-timer in market, stockage club can be phenomenal. See, what happens that मैंने हमेशा बोला है कि आपको 2 साल की तपस्या देनी पड़ेगी. Or first 1 year is actually the foundation, and I'm doing so much work in building that foundation for you guys. For example, the new learn to trade series or face to face and all other free things which I'm doing is so useful कि आप वो सबको देखोगे ना तो आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. उसके साथ विनीत, आई सजेस्ट क्लब का मेंबरशिप ले लो. यहाँ पर लर्निंग भी बहुत है, यहाँ पर रियल लोग हैं जो रियल बातें कर रहे हैं. यहां से हमने नॉइज हटा दिया, हमने इसको जानबूझ के प्रीमियम रखा है ताकि वी डोंट वांट इट टू बिकम अ ट्विटर, वी डोंट वांट इट टू बी अ नॉइजी अफेयर. So your learning for first year is on me. I'll make sure that what you have in mind has to be converted into your action in the market. So, and I always, as I said, that club is the most favorite child of mine right now, and I really want to make sure that all of you who are member of the club gets the true value of the time and the money you are spending on us. Arvind is saying, as suggested, if you can move to Slack, Telegram snippets. Well, we already have a Telegram group where stock ideas are shared in that Telegram group, so you will be added there. And Arvind bhai, we have taken the feedback. The club new platform is already in development, and we are expecting a beta release probably by mid-March. And you will be amazed to see the new platform. So kindly bear with me. I know you have been very, very patient with me. You have really loved us. Kindly bear with me because I don't want to get into third-party tool, because there is so much we want to do with our own tool. One of my vision is to integrate club with stockage. See, I'll show you something. As a club member, once you have stockage, you see there is on the right side, there is something called club. If you search for any stock, all interactions with respect to that stock is right there in front of you in stockage itself. All these things is only possible if I develop my own platform. If I take third-party solution, these all creativity gets damaged. So suppose you want to see क्या क्या लोगों ने डिस्कस किया एमआरएफ के बारे में क्लब के अंदर, everything is there right in front of you. Okay, Mr. Gatram is saying VIV 20 for Stockage Club. Yes, it's for annual plan. So people who want to take annual, I want to give them more discount. But आप अगर try करने के लिए monthly लेना चाह रहे हो तो it's just the 1500 rupees which you can pay. Which 3 courses can we take? Is there a specific list? Yes. So if you go to this information on the pricing side, we have given the comparison of various offerings which we have. One of the offerings is the club. You see, we have given these 3 courses. Each course has around 40 to 50 videos, which is brilliant videos recorded on making sure that your basics are covered. For stock market made easy, technical analysis made easy, stock investing made easy. Your basics will be 100% clear after you attend these 3 courses. But these 3 courses are only available for the annual plan member. If you take monthly, then obviously you don't get access to courses. Apart from that, any course from Elon Markets, if you do, 20% discount will be offered to you. So assuming that over a period of time, you will take courses worth 50,000 from us. So 10,000 rupees anyways, you will get discount. It's a peanut working which we are doing. So much of value addition at a very, very reasonable cost, which I've been doing for so many times. premium and analyst features are also included as the features of club members. Absolutely, Suresh bhai. That's the idea, that the basic plan is premium, then analyst, and then finally club, which has all everything. As part of the club member, you get the best of us. Everything what we have given to all our club members. And most important, that if you want to connect with us, seek some personal guidance. Day before yesterday, one of the club members, he connected with me. So you obviously have to talk to the support team, and they try to fix up a time with me. And we were discussing for 15 minutes. One of the point of discussion was that he was asking whether he should get married or not. So at times, because I get so much involved personally with people, that at times uh, I love that whole feeling of guiding you guys, mentoring you guys in the right way. And obviously, I replied to him that yes, you should get married, because marriage is a very important part of your upbringing. But it can get very personal also, and people, I love interacting with people. And by becoming part of the club member, it becomes kind of an obligation on me also to make sure that you guys are taken care of properly. Does analyst help us in intraday position trading? Of course, analyst does. If you go to stock ideas, we keep on sharing stock ideas, which works on intraday basis also. So it has everything, right from intraday to swing trading to investing. हमने सब कुछ डाल दिया. And there are 12 plus analysts. Let me show you. So all these blue tick holders are my team members. See, so many people. My entire organization is involved in the club to make sure that you guys get the true value. Look at the number of people. My operation team, my tech team, my knowledge team, my research team, everyone has been asked to be part of the club and see all the interactions, so that none of my club member can say that Vivek, your club is not adding value to me. And I'm always open to criticism, always open to feedback. But you can't question me if you're not part of me. And to become part of me, club is the only best way for you to become part of me. Arvind is saying, is it valid for part-time? Absolutely, it is. It is relevant for part-time traders, because when you talk about club, it's like a community where you are part of, and you don't have to be a real-time trader to become part of the community, right? Even for a part-timer, in fact, for part-timer, club is more relevant than for a full-timer, because you really want a lot of assistance in learning and market practice while you are a part-time guy. Okay, Abhishek is saying he's a club member. Want to know where we can see the market tomorrow and in near term, and best sector stock to accumulate now. Abhishek, I would love to reply to this question, but not in today's session, because today I want to talk about the club structure, because this discussion would need a lot of chart analysis. And you know what I've decided, Abhishek, that every Friday, 1 hour, I will take the session. Earlier, the session was taken by Shurudeep. Now, every Friday, I will take the session, and these all questions I will try to answer, so that all of you are in same page as I am. But let me tell you one thing, that Abhishek, even I can go wrong. I'm not God. Everyone can go wrong. I deserve to be going wrong. But whatever knowledge I'll have, I'll definitely share with you guys. But you, on top of it, make sure that you do your homework and analyze the things further. Okay. Okay. Sandeep is saying, is my question visible? Yes, Sandeep Kumar ji, आपका question visible है. Okay, Venkat is asking that my Stockage premium subscription is going on. It is going to expire on 9th. Can I subscribe now, club membership? Yes, Venkat, please subscribe to club membership, no problem. Because this membership will be parallelly running with your subscription of Stockage. Maybe for 2 months, probably you have overpaid Stockage premium, but we will adjust the cost, don't worry. So in the feedback form, just mention this fact, and our team will call you and adjust the proportionate cost of stockage premium with the club. Not to worry at all. Over on top of the 20% discount which I'm giving today, so you can use VIF 20, take the club subscription, and the balance which you have in the club in the stockage subscription for 2 months, we will adjust that cost and we will do something about it. Aditya is asking, should we invest in crypto or commodity for great return? I would say invest in commodities. Crypto, I'm so sorry, I'm not the right person. I don't know about crypto. In fact, even I am feeling slightly missed out, but what do I do? If I don't understand, I don't understand. Okay, Bindu is asking a question, how to track my investment? Bindu, the best way to track your investment is Stockage watch list. If you have seen Stockage, just go to Stockage, go to My Stockage and go to watch list. Here you will be able to see uh, uh, the best way is to able to add stocks here and then track them. And these are all intelligent watch lists we have created. For example, these are the stocks which I'm tracking. So these are intelligent watch lists which we have created, which will give you exactly what is happening in these stocks right now. And based on the analytics which we are giving to you, you can actually decide what you want to do next. What will be there in beta version? Beta version, the most important thing, app will be there. Stockage Club right now is a web platform. App is not that great, I want to be very honest. And beta version will have lot of value added features which you will love, Sandeep bhai. Rahul is asking, also I just purchased premium membership. Can I convert into club and use this coupon? Can adjustment be made? Yes, Rahul, I will do that for you. So if you have purchased the premium membership, you can talk to the team. You can send the feedback form. I think Swati is there. Swati will receive a lot of people writing in the feedback form. So maybe you can connect with the Arpan with the respective feedback, and Arpan can call our guest and do the adjustments
Absolutely.
accordingly.
Absolutely, Mr. Bajaj. Absolutely.
Thank you, Swati. Okay, in Stockage only we check price, not my investment. Okay, Bindu is saying that yes. So Bindu bhai, you are correct. Stockage ke andar mein, what we have done is there is a watch list, which is basically tracking the price and important analytics around the stock, not the portfolio. So we are working on the portfolio analyzer so that you can actually do a proper portfolio analytics using Stockage. Okay, Parag Bhai is asking a question that, hi Vivek, thanks for the working you are doing to educate people. Can you guide or make video about the most danger part of trading, over trading, how to handle it, especially in future trades? Oh, it's a very good question, Parag, you're asking. And I think I'll answer this question while I'll be teaching the same to Annapurna. So in my channel, I will make sure that this topic is also covered. uh, Maybe I'll ask Annapurna to ask me this question that, sir, how do I save myself from over trading? So maybe in a couple of days, I'll record this video. Yeah. Recently, I took, Girish Pai is asking, recently I took an annual plan. However, on the next day, my earlier monthly plan also got renewed. This resulted in excess payment. Please check and refund the same. Absolutely. It will be refunded. No problem at all. Girish Pai, I want to make this thing very clear to all of you that we as an organization have very high standard of integrity, extremely high standard, because I am a firm believer of karma. So I will not do anything wrong which will jeopardize your situation, especially when it comes to your money. Okay, so feel free to write an email or in the feedback form mention this problem, and we will make sure that this problem is solved. And if any money which has come to us extra, we have to refund to you. Don't worry, it's lying in our bank account. It's your money. Okay, we will refund it to you. Not to worry at all. Okay, Ashish, yes, you can get the discount today. So this discount coupon will be only open for today. So if you can take it today, yes, the premium fees will be adjusted accordingly. Any future plans for chart improvement? Yes, Palak, we have already initiated the integration with TradingView in Stockage. This is a very uh, inside news which I have given to you because you all are family, so I don't mind sharing that with you. So TradingView को Stockage में integrate करने का कार्यक्रम चालू कर दिया है. तो let's see कब वो हो जाएगा. तो you will definitely get a better chart apart from the edge chart, which we will continue because our edge chart gives a different kind of edge, and TradingView chart obviously will give you a different kind of an edge. Gaurav is saying this is a promotional code or reference code for subscriber to promotion. I didn't understand that. It's just the code which I thought I should give so that you guys should find value in our conversation today. So I don't know what you're trying to say, Gaurav bhai. Okay, Dipesh is saying that can we choose from 12 webinars which to attend or only next 12 webinar continuously? No, 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 no. So you can choose. So there are more than 100 webinars hosted in Elon Markets. So actually when you see on the Stockage, we have given you, so the moment you become Stockage Club member, you automatically become the member of Elon Market also. And out of 100 plus webinar which we have already taken, you can choose 12 out of any of these webinars. Even the historical webinars is available for you to have a look, except I think 3-4 webinars which are exclusive one. For example, with Varinder Bansal, there was a different arrangement with him, so that's why we are not able to add it in the combo. But apart from that, I think pretty much all the webinars are part of this. I think so. Difference between analyst and club subscription. Very good question, Sandeep. So club is holistic. उसके अंदर में learning is a very important part of club. So the course, basic course, and webinars. So learning part is more prominent in club. Analyst is basically same platform, you get access to these analysts. So you just get access to this platform, whereas club is the platform which is analyst plus learning and plus obviously access to me. If you want to talk to me, then I mean, you need to become a club member, because see, it's not that I want to act pricey here, but it's just that, you know, everyone has a limitation of time. So when you are a doctor or a lawyer, you obviously want to value your time, and I always want to give my best to people who value their time as well as my time. So for club member, I'm always available for discussions, but if you want to have it and enjoy other services, then you are most open to do that as well. I have a premium membership. How do I take club while taking the discount? Will you send an adjusted link? Yes, Ravi. We will figure. We will. So you can mention it in the feedback form, and we will call you, and we will figure out how to do that adjustment. Arvind is saying, does club cover inputs on international market, commodity, crypto? Not much, very honestly. It's a pure equity driven, because stockage is a very stock market oriented product. So Arvind, I will not lie to you that yes, we do cover fair bit of it, but nahi karte hain utna, very honestly. Okay, Panchesh Bhai is saying that, sir, I am a club member and iOS based app of the same will be really helpful for better accessibility. Yes, Panchesh Bhai. So we are working on app both iOS and Android and new web interface. So आप थोड़ा time दो, ये problem solve हो जाएगा सर, लगे हुए हैं इसके अंदर में. What type of webinar we'll get? Vishwaranjan is saying, sir, any webinar which is hosted on Elon Markets. So you see all the paid webinars which are hosted on Elon Markets, except the exclusive ones, you get access to all these paid webinars. So you can select, it's your choice, which one you want to select. Only, no, not these exclusive ones. So wherever exclusive is written, these are not part of club, but wherever I see club offering is written, these all are part of the club offering. So we have made your life very easy to select. So like, for example, my webinars are also available as part of the club. So it's worth 1,000 rupees webinar. So you can take those webinars. Okay, Mr. Pimpale is saying he's planning to join Stockage Club. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the family. You will not be disappointed. I can give you my personal commitment. Ritesh is saying, when will you give 10 stocks for long-term portfolio? We are working on it. We are working on it because market has gone up so much that getting those 10 stocks is a problematic thing right now. We are working on it, and we will give you that model portfolio very soon. Pranav is saying, next day trading tips by using Stockage. See, I have created a video with Annapurna day before yesterday, and we will be floating that video soon, maybe next week. There I've discussed this point, so stay tuned to my YouTube channel for that discussion. Do we provide some positional trading or momentum stock names to get benefit of your research? Yes, we do provide. So club is all about that. In fact, in stock ideas, we keep on sharing momentum stocks, positional stocks, and our performance of the stock ideas which we have shared is decently okay. I mean, our accuracy is around 60 to 70%. I mean, depends upon the market situation also. So what we do is, we don't give you tips. We give you a stock idea, give you an explanation why this stock idea could be looked at along with the chart. See, my theory is very simple, friends, that I don't want you to be dependent on me. I don't want to feed you fish. My idea is that I want to train you while I'm showing you how to catch the fish and make you independent. And in the process, if you have any query which I can solve. My team is there full time to make sure that your query is solved. Okay, Vinod Bhai is saying you are doing a fantastic job. Thank you, Vinod Bhai, for acknowledging what we are doing. It's quite an effort, very honestly, I'll tell you, because there's so much free content we are creating. It's a 150 people organization. We are really, really giving our sweat, our blood in this working because we are passionate for what we are doing. You see, on Sunday also we are doing this session. You are attending it. Swati is also there. So we don't have any commitment for, for us, that commitment to all our users is more critical than, what other probably priorities we have in our life. Can we avail the coupon discount for stockage analysts? No, Digvijay bhai. This coupon is only for club. Especially because this is my baby. Club is something which I want all of you to become part of, so that you become part of my family. So that's why I'm giving you special 20% discount for club. Digvijay bhai, it's not very big amount. Trust me. I mean, if you find value and if you use it, trust me, you will not be disappointed with the working. What is the price for the club membership? Price for the club membership is written in this page. It's a 15,000, and you can use coupon code VIF20 to get 20% discount. So technically your club price comes to only 12,000 rupees, which is, I think, very reasonable. But this is only valid for today. If you can take it, I think it will be very useful for you. Uh, Arvind is saying, Vivek bhai, SE premium alerts needed to hit WhatsApp or Telegram for quicker action. Very valid requirement. Because we are not a real-time app right now. So the problem of giving you alert on a real-time basis is a problem, which we will solve once we become real-time. And my vision is to become real-time by the end of this year. Hopefully, we'll be able to do that. And then integration with Telegram and WhatsApp will definitely be very, very useful. Sandeep is saying some insight of charting themes available in club subscription. Uh, I mean, there are, what do I say? There are, I mean, a lot of themes, a lot of, I mean, I would suggest Sandeep bhai that just take a month membership and uh, see how what kind of chart ideas and themes which we are sharing. Because there's there's nothing called fix which we have. Different analysts will have different point of view. I share my RS point of view template. People that are Ankit will have its own point of view. So it's always to get a multi-dimensional point of view on specific stock, on a multiple stocks. I mean, unless you get into it, you will not be able to, understand what we are trying to do. What is the initial capital needed for investments? I mean, if you are doing investments for long term, anywhere between 2 lakhs to 3 lakh is something minimum you should put in market. Otherwise, पैसे बनेंगे ही नहीं. और अगर आपके पास 5 लाख से 10 लाख रुपए है ना, तो वो एक्चुअली आइडियली अमाउंट हो जाता है अगर उस पैसे से आप अगर मार्केट में काम करते हैं तो. Okay. Vishwa Ranjan is saying, how do you subscribe? It's very simple. Just as I have shown earlier also, just go to stockage.com, go to pricing here, go to subscribe here, and use the coupon code VIV20. Get the discount, pay 12,000 rupees, and you are done. The moment you do this, you get receive an email from our team. You get a call from the team member explaining you the process. You will get a support team call. Everything will be done, and everything is very, very process oriented, so you don't have to worry at all. Yes, Anand bhai, TradingView will be big advantage. I totally accept. That's why we are exploring that also. Okay, Vinod is saying, I would like to join, but I don't have too much time. I just want to get benefit from these market by investing or swing trade. Do you think it will add advantage to me? Vinod bhai and others, I would seriously suggest that if you if you are doing part-time anything, and if you're interested in learning the markets and really understanding the concept behind the market, please join club for 1 year. You will not be disappointed. It's total value for money, and we definitely will make sure that your part-time engagement of the market also becomes very sensible engagement. uh, feel what can I say? I mean, see, the point is that currently the price is 15,000. and I know that the value which we are adding is more than 30,000, 35,000. But we, as you know, that I've always kept my working reasonably priced so that a common person can get access to the quality work which a professional has been getting. So today you feel that it may not be beneficial for me, but at 12,000 rupees, it's a peanut considering the kind of learning you will get, the engagement you will get, and very soon we will launch a lot of things as part of the same package so that you get priority in things which we are launching. So feel free to become part of the family, even if you're part-time. I mean, full-time guys obviously should become because it will definitely help you guys. Even if you're part-time, I think this is a very, very valuable platform which we have developed. You should take advantage of that platform. So guys, it's 3 and I've taken your commitment for 1 year, 1 hour. Thank you so much for giving this 1 hour. Feel free to write down anything you want to talk about in the feedback form, which will come just after this session. And my team will connect with you and solve your queries. And finally, before I end, I can tell you that the intention is to make you as empowered as possible. The team behind the show is extremely passionate to give their best to all of you. Take advantage of this facility which is available and become absolutely independent in this whole journey of making money from stock market. Thank you so much for attending this session. Sunday has become very, very worthful talking to you, and your time and attention has given me a lot of reasons to smile. Thank you. Take care of your family. Enjoy your time and take care of yourself in the market. Bye bye. Thanks. Thanks, Swati.
Thank you, sir. We request all the listeners to kindly fill in the form as Mr. Bajaj suggested. If you have any query, you can definitely put in the question pan in the feedback panel, sorry, so that they can help us, like if there is something to be adjusted or discount, if any, if you are looking forward. So please do kindly help with the feedback form. Post the session or dashboard will appear. You got to fill the feedback form. Thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend.